And now we're ready to build dual Bass 50s and dual tops. I'm going to show you how to set up two Bass 50s to cover floor spaces of 250 people using our dual Bass 50 setup. Here are all the components you will need for this setup. Two Bass 50s, two enclosure ports, two sets of port latches, two top speakers, and two dollies. Start by prepping both Bass 50s in an up-firing position. Remove all 4 feet from the grill side of the Bass 50, replacing all hex hardware in its current position, leaving the side hardware protruding for the port latch. Next, we will take the port latch and slide the keyhole opening over the hex bolt on the side of the unit, securing it to the side of the Bass 50 using included tool or the 9/16 socket. We will do this on all 4 sides. After securing all 4 latches to the Bass 50, tighten the top 4 hex bolts to allow the port to align to the Bass 50. To install straps on your Bass 50, replace the side bolts with quick disconnect bolts, or QD bolts. QD bolts enable strap use on any part of your Bass 50. Push the quick disconnect button on the strap and insert into the QD bolt. Next step is installing the Bass 50 on the dolly. First, make sure your wheels are locked on all 4 corners, and then take your up-firing Bass 50 that you already prepped and set it on top of the dolly. Make sure the feet lock into the front cleats on the dolly, then simply set the back side of the Bass 50 down onto the rear of the dolly until it locks into place. Next, put the universal port on top of the Bass 50, ensuring all 4 hex bolts align with the spacers on all 4 corners. Flip up your latches and make sure all latches are tightened on all 4 corners. Let's set up the Bass 50 in a wired configuration using dual Bass 50s and dual tops. We will be wiring a DJ controller, 2 top speakers, 2 Bass 50s. You will need 4 cables total for this application. 2 XLR male to XLR female cables for the master output of the DJ controller to the top speaker's XLR input. Run the female XLR to 1/8" male cables from each of the top speaker's XLR pass-throughs to the aux input on both of the Bass 50s. Thanks for watching the Trulli Academy. Stay tuned for more videos.